Hello students, welcome to our next video tutorial on projections of solids unit. We are at exercise number 1, projections of solids 1, where we are discussing about case axis perpendicular to HP. Till now we have discussed 4 problems: cylinder, cone, square pyramid, square prism, where all axis perpendicular to HP. Now one more, we are going with another object, cube. Right? So look at the question. A cube of 40 mm side is resting with a face on HP such that when one of its vertical faces is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Simple problem. Object given is cube. What do you mean by cube? Cube is also one kind of polyhedra where it is having 6 equal square faces. Square prism, bottom square, top square, but 4 vertical faces are rectangle. But here, bottom square, top square, all 4 sides are square. See, I have prepared some big box. I don't have. Bottom square, top square. From each side, rectangular faces previously for prism, but for cube, it's again a square. Square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal square faces. So what is the dimension? 40 mm side. Each side of the square is 40 mm. Right? Coming to location, he is resting with a face on HP. He is resting with a face on HP. One face, all 6 are same. Any face is resting on HP. Such that when one of its vertical faces is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. One of its vertical faces is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. This is the position where you can see one front side which is nothing but parallel to VP. One parallel, 2 perpendicular. Last problem, 2 vertical faces perpendicular. 3 back side, 4 this side. Right? But here one of its vertical face is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Means whatever the back side 3 face, first, second, third face, it should be rotated at an angle of 30 degrees. Means when you are looking from the top, this should be at an angle of 30 degrees. Previously you have did problem number 4, second case, same, but their prism, here cube. How to start? It's so simple again. There is you have to observe one difference, right? There is no information given regarding the axis height. You have to understand and analyze that cube having all 6 square, where side 40 mm and also axis also should be 40 mm. Why? Because all sides are equal. Side 40, height 40, because same square. Height 40 is nothing but axis 40. One side 30 degrees. Directly if you draw means it becomes parallel. Top square, parallel. Square prism first one. But here one vertical side should be at an angle of 30 degrees. I am drawing it simple and fast. Hope you all understand this. XY line. Draw a line at an angle of 30 degrees. On that, draw square of 40. Same points A, B, C, D. Inside 1, 2, 3, 4. Axis. Try to keep a line diagonal here, O. What is each side of the square? You can show it here, dimension as 40. Now coming to this, project ax from A, B, C, D. But important thing is from axis. Now axis from here Oops. Dash dot, dash dot, dash dot. How much height I have to do? I am supposed to do as 40 only here also. Now from here, whatever that vertical edges, front view is nothing but from here. Vertical edge A1, B2, C3 are clearly visible. So A1, B2, C3 clearly visible. How about this D4? Same problem of previous. 30 degrees means, see, you can see this one clearly visible, 30 degrees. A1, B2, C3, they are clearly visible, whereas backside D4, it's not clearly visible. So from here D, you are supposed to draw hidden line. Top A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Bottom 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. On this D dash you can write inside as it represents backside. You can clearly see 4 dash and D dash represents inside, so that's why they are represented as hidden lines. Simple height. I can quote you, this is simple and important. Same like previous problem, but if you observe the differences, first problem cylinder, second problem cone, third problem square pyramid, fourth problem square prism, fifth problem cube, all these have some important points to remember is vertical edge inclined to VP, vertical edge inclined to VP, vertical side or vertical base inclined to VP will be represented in the top view. That you have to remember. This is vertical face. Vertical face you have to remember. All the problems, square pyramid, square prism here. It will be very useful when you draw the problems of axis perpendicular to HP, axis perpendicular to VP, axis inclined to one plane parallel to the other, axis inclined to both the planes. Now here if you can see axis perpendicular, it is perpendicular here, 90 degrees. I hope you all understand this simple problem and will draw it. Still you have any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Thank you.